This is a KXW60TH thermal typewriter. You can store type in it. The problem is you don't have much RAM, so you can upgrade it with an 8K RAM chip that you see here. It's important to make sure that you turn off everything before you open it. And it's real simple. Just take your chip and place it in there. Pin 1 is in the upper left-hand corner. Be careful you don't bend the pins. Just push it down in there. Make sure you check everything. If it doesn't go in there, just check it over, make sure you haven't bent anything, and then just put the cover back on top of it. Pretty simple to do. Alright, put the retaining screw in place, put your batteries back in there, power it back up, and you're good to go. Now you can store up to 14 kilobytes of text.